Hello everyone, today's video is based on basic skincare routine. Let's get started. I just washed my face with Kaya Cleanser. This product is really good. It cleanses the face so well, gives enough glow, and even brightens the skin. Do try this face wash. For serum, I use Minimalist Salicylic Acid. It reduces excess oiliness and blackheads from the face. It is the best for acne prone skin. Since I've already told you I have an oily or combinational skin, this works wonders on my face, and I'm using this since 1 year also. I like to keep my skincare routine very basic and simple as it suits my skin. Okay, I'll just clip my hair for now. It's irritating. For moisturizer, I use Pond's Super Light Gel. But sometimes when I have any functions or marriage or anything of that kind, I use Joey's Herbal Revati Glow Skin Vitamin C face cream. It has almonds and cacao plum. It actually is really good product. I'm using this since 6 months, and it actually works really good. This is Pond's face cream is which I use in my daily basis. It hydrates my skin, and mainly I use it during my summers a lot. It keeps my skin very hydrated as well. Since it's summer, I like to give a high tip. Drink plenty of water. I know everyone will say this as it's a routine that everyone says drink plenty of water, but to stay hydrated, to keep ourselves healthy and glowing skin, that is the only best tip anyone can suggest. I use Dermaco Ultra Matte Sunscreen. This is actually works wonders to my skin. Since it is a comedogenic product, it doesn't leave any dry or white patch on the skin. Since it is a very flat matte finish which it gives, it is non-sticky. It works smooth to the skin. It gives very feel good to the skin, hydrating, and I use this product mainly because it doesn't leave any white patch or dry patch on the skin. Since I thought that's all with my skincare routine, I actually forgot one thing, which is I have to keep my bindi right now. Without bindi, I never go out of my room. I'm so habituated. It gives a girly effect putting this bindi, and I really enjoy it as well. In the last I use lip balm that is from Nivea. It is very good. Thank you so much for watching my skincare routine, and bye.